All right, so here we are. This is now the final phase, although we'll have a lot more to come. So in this moment, Frank, our super dog trainer, is going to take Puck on his first ride. Are you ready, Frank?
All right, Puck, come on, let's go.
All right, well that was a real issue. Okay, so we'll get the Puckster done in, and we'll be back in a second. All right, and we're back, and we are off. Here goes Franklin with Puck on his first.
All right, hold on, Puck. Hold on, Puck.
Hold on. Ta-dun, ta-dun. It's a gorgeous sunny day. See, the Ontario is right. He does kind of have that Cleopatra sort of thing going on. All right, you guys, hit the road. Well, not hard. Bye, Puck. All right, we'll catch you when they come back. Where are they? Oh, here they come. And they're whizzing by. How exciting. Well, how was it, kids?
Wonderful. You like it, Puck?
Puck, did you have a good ride?
Yeah? You like it? All right, hold on. Get you back out. All right, there we go. Come on, let's go. All right, again.
All right, they're heading out again. We'll see you guys next time on Puckmobile 01. And here they come. Hi, Puck.